Found some water at a park. I also saw a deer somewhere over there. It ran away. Want to have my deer back. Dude, it's not mine. Okay, that's all I wanted to record right now, really. Bye, you guys. This is a bunch of ducks. Or geese, I forget. Documentary. Kidding, it's not. Look at these little babies. Oh, it's a family. Don't worry, mamas or mama and dada. I'm not gonna come any closer. I just want the video. Look at it, it's so beautiful. Look at the little babies laying down. One's cleaning. Oh.
My bug's here.
Broom, broom.
Is this yours?
Yeah. Yeah. Look at these ducks.
Should I scare them?
No! That's a family! Who wants to scare them? No! Alejandro, down! I said, see, they're ready to attack you! They're gonna attack you! They're defensive. Don't worry. I just wanted to have the video, please. Ew, there's sand in my hair. Okay. I shall leave you. Duckies. But what the fun? Bye, ducks.